warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 6th group. We would like to explain about the definition of theory formalism. Okay guys, do you know what is theory formalism? Okay, if you don't know, we will explain one by one. Okay, theory formalism is an object-centered theory of critical approach to literature. It focuses only of the work itself and completely ignores the author of the work, time and backgrounding information of the work, and the audience feelings or perception about the work. Okay, next is the formal properties of a literary work. There are 6 points. 6 points I will mention one by one. One is words, meaning of the word. Second is shapes or structure of the text. Third is harmony of the word. Fourth, the rhythm of the sentences. Fifth, rhyming of the words. And then the last is meaning of the text overall. Nah, the formal properties of a literary work don't do some thing. Okay, there are 6 also. I will mention one by one. One is time of the work. Second, background of the text. Third, representation of the work. Fourth, the symbolism of the word. Fifth, author's moral, religious, or political values. And then the last is author's personal life. Okay, next will be explained by my partner Afiqoh Umairoh.
Next, formalism critical. Formalism critical analyzes the form of a literary work to discover its true meanings. Formalism holds that true meaning can be determined only by analyzing the literary elements of the text and by understanding how these elements work together to form up a cohesive whole. What is a text according to formalism? A text is a literary work which is a finished product and nothing can change its meaning and form. The form and context of the text cannot be separated. It creates meaning as a whole. A literary text has a fixed meaning. The greatest literary texts are contents, coherent, timeless, and universal. A checklist for formalism criticism. First, how the word is structured or organized. Second, how it begins. Third, how it is advancing or transiting to the next lines. Fourth, how it ends. Fifth, how the plot is built. Sixth, how the plot relates to its structure. 7. How each part of the word relates to the word as a whole. And then how all the parts related to one another. Next, how the narrator or speaker narrates the story. Point of view of the narrator. The major and the minor characters. And then how the characters are related to one another. Action of the character. The language of the literary word and style of writing. Next, literary devices such as imageries, similes, metaphors, ironies, paradox, and etc. And the last, how the literary devices function to create meaning. Thank you for your nice attention, and I'm sorry for many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.